Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the Klarna One-Time Card in a store. First of all, download and open the Klarna app on your mobile phone, then log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Next, go to the option to create a one-time card. Enter the amount of your purchase, including shipping and taxes, so the card can be generated for the correct total. After that, there will be a quick approval process. Once approved, your one-time card details will be created and shown on the screen. Now copy the one-time card information and use it at checkout like a regular Visa card. Just paste or enter the card details when paying online or in-store where card payments are accepted. Once everything is entered, confirm your payment and complete your order. Your purchase will then be processed successfully. After that, you can view your order confirmation and manage your payment plan inside the Klarna app. And that's it, that's how you use the Klarna One-Time Card in a store. Before you go, if you're interested in learning more about building long-term wealth and protecting your money, you can also check out the APM Guide to Precious Metals, which explains how people use gold and other assets as part of their financial strategy. You can find the link in the description below.